Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. We always do hope that you are all doing okay. And today we're gonna cook a version of mine of how when Kayla was a little kid requesting for shrimp Alfredo. So welcome to our kitchen. Here are the ingredients for our shrimp Alfredo. We would need pasta. You could use any kind of pasta, but we like the thin spaghetti. And we'll prepare it according to the package direction. We would need butter. I probably would use just half of this. I've got cream cheese. We got garlic, shrimp, chicken broth. It would be better if you have your own broth, Parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. So we would first cook our pasta. We already put water in here and had it to boil. Our brand says 6 minutes, so we'll do that. Some would put salt or oil in here, but we don't do that. We just simply boil water and put our pasta and cook it according to the time indicated in the box. So I'll set my timer to 6 minutes to cook the pasta. And on the other side here, we're preheating our pan so we could cook our sauce. So now we're gonna add our butter. I'll have the heat low because you don't want to burn your butter. We'll add the garlic. Siguro lagay na natin lahat since garlic has medicinal benefits anyway. Basta wag lang susunugin. And if you remember the way we cook our pasta, the Spanish sardines pasta, it's pretty much the same. Okay. So we'll let our garlic cook on low fire since our pasta is almost done. Alright, so our pasta, let's check if it's good already. So let's see if it's already cooked. So it's already cooked. You don't want it too cooked, overcooked. Kasi while it's still hot, it's still continuing the process to cook. So we'll just drain this and set this aside. So we drained our pasta. If it's gonna take you long to cook the sauce, you have to rinse this with cold water to abort the cooking process and avoid it from sticking. Some would put oil. But we'll just set this aside since we're gonna be cooking our sauce real quick. So we will continue cooking our sauce. I'm gonna put the shrimp. So you don't want an overcooked garlic. I'll put the shrimp. Yung iba, they would cook this separate. They would salt, season it with salt and pepper separate. But I just do it all together. Tapos, you don't want to overcook your shrimp kasi titigas. It's gonna be hard. So I'll just go ahead and put the rest of our ingredients. So we'll put our chicken broth. I'll use maybe half of this. You don't want your sauce to be thin. So it's good to start ng konti and then you could just adjust. As I mentioned, it would be good if you self-prepared your broth instead of using an instant one like this. It's healthier the other way. Now you prepare it yourself. And then I'll add we want this to boil, and then I'll add the cream cheese. So let's boil our broth first. So our broth is hot already and soft boiling. We could add our cream cheese now. And we want this to melt and blend, and this will make our sauce thick. So we're almost done. We're just gonna add our pasta and also our cheese, and we're ready for plating. Meron akong kilala na mahilig dito. Hi to Tito Glenn! He loves pasta. As you can see, hindi siya healthy, ano? Lots of butter and cream cheese. Pero you could make your own adjustment or replacement of recipes to come up with something healthier. So while it's boiling, this is the good time to add the cheese. Some Parmesan cheese and some for the topping later. Thick. Okay, so it's time to add our pasta. It's always good to add your pasta while your sauce is hot. Well, they're both hot. So we just mix it and we're ready for plating. So you could cook it some more here, so it could absorb the sauce more and it will be tastier. But you don't want to overcook it again. So you could put salt and pepper to taste, put more sauce, or top it with basil leaves, steamed broccoli, or any topping that you'd want. You could eat it with bread. So yun po ang mga ideas. But let's try our pasta. Thank you, Lord, for our food. Very creamy. Very good. So we hope that you like this. Again, another video, another cooking. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless. Bye.